make a popcorn. You want to eat popcorn? It's popcorn! Popcorn! Holding popcorn. Not so good. I'm gonna bring that money home. You do it.
Стадин, стадин.
Пойдем. You see, tick there.
Моцарелла чик-чик. Ту чик-чик. Ту блэк чик-чик. Жарко вам, свинки. Because you're a good daughter.
It's not enough to be a good daughter. When I hold the door. Big responsibility. If your parent only once leave, when your parents is gone, you have no parents. Never parents replace in your life. Or parents is only once.
It's true.
That's why I don't want to be regret in my life. When my parents is gone, to my side how I do. No. How I sick when I sick. No one take care of me. No one help me. No one. Only my parents understand. What? How many po?
One.
Getting a shrimp. Here's the shrimp. Shrimp.
With potato?
Mm.
Oh, деликатес, картошечка.
Mm.
What you want?
What do you want?
You.
To me? Nothing.
Come on. My message. Wait. Ah. Ah.
Only I want I finish my study. Guys! Ito kasi ang buhay ko sa bukid. Char. Ay, nakapapa pa ako dyan. Oh, nakaingit ka na. Ang gamay ko. Ayun. Tamang pakain ako ng baboy dyan. At the same time, nag-aaral ako. So, maaga pa ako nagigising. Pupunta sa school, nagmumotor, ayun. Isa akong dakilang anak. Charot. Dakilang anak. Sana all. Ay, paano ako masabi sa inyo? You will share. Charot. Tamang yan lang tayo. Yan, babe. Ito sa inyo ang buhay ko. Char. Sana ay ikikwentong buhay. Buhay mahirap. Ganun. Ayan, tama lang din sa bukid tayo. May peace of mind. Ayan. Kumbaga, wala lang. Malayo sa lahat sa problema. Charot. Marami ang problema. Ayun. Tamang relax lang tayo. But at the same time, mahirap naman. Pero it's okay. Kakayanin. Wow, kakayanin. Hanggat buhay, hanggat huminga ako. Kakayanin ko, char. Para ewan na rin tama. Ayan. Tama nakapalan tayo, walang kartihang nalalaman sa buhay. Char. Isang dalagang Pilipina. Sana all. Ayun, tamang luto-luto lang tayo dyan. Kain ba? To this life, kumbaga, may peace of mind ka na, may pagkain ka pa, char. Ayun, tamang luto-luto lang. Luto-luto, sana all, bahay-bahayan ba?
Реанимация для самого мелкого поросенка. Ветеринарный госпиталь. It's good. He eating. Самый мелкий слабенький. In hospital for animals. Right now? Maybe he bite our baboyka.
Drinking. Swimming.
It's already good.
Mo!